Have you ever wondered what would happen if we created something far smarter than ourselves? Not just a little bit smarter, like a calculator, but a mind that surpasses the collective intelligence of every single human being on Earth. Combined, this isn't science fiction anymore. We're on the cusp of creating superintelligent AI, and it brings up one of the most critical questions of our time: who gets to be in charge? Think about it, an entity with this level of intelligence could solve humanity's greatest challenges: disease, poverty, climate change. It could usher in a golden age we can barely imagine. But the same power, if misaligned with our values, could lead to consequences we can't even predict, let alone control. The real challenge isn't just about building the technology. It's about building the wisdom to manage it. So who decides what a superintelligent AI should or shouldn't do? Who sets its goals? A single company, a single government, a small group of brilliant but fallible engineers? The very idea is unsettling. If one nation develops superintelligence first, it could gain an insurmountable advantage over all others, potentially reshaping the global order overnight. If a private corporation holds the keys, its decisions will likely be driven by profit, not the collective good of humanity. The stakes are simply too high for this power to be concentrated in the hands of a few. This is where the concept of AI governance becomes crucial. It's not just a buzzword, it's our best hope for a safe transition into this new era. We need to establish robust, global frameworks for the development and deployment of superintelligence. This means bringing everyone to the table: AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, sociologists, and the public. We need a global conversation about what our shared human values are and how we can embed them into the very core of these future systems. One promising idea is the creation of an international body, something like the International Atomic Energy Agency, but for AI. This organization would promote transparency, conduct safety research, and establish clear, enforceable guidelines for all developers. Its primary goal would be to ensure that AI is developed for the benefit of all humanity, not just a select group. This body could facilitate collaboration, prevent a dangerous arms race, and make sure that safety protocols keep pace with the rapid advancements in capability. Another approach focuses on the technical side of the problem, known as AI alignment. This field of research is dedicated to figuring out how to make sure an AI's goals are aligned with our own. It's incredibly complex. How do you explain concepts like kindness, fairness, or well-being to a machine that doesn't feel or experience the world as we do? It's like trying to describe color to someone born blind. Researchers are exploring methods like inverse reinforcement learning, where an AI learns human values by observing our behavior. But which behaviors are best or are worst? The truth is, there's no single, easy answer. The path forward will likely involve a combination of technical solutions, international treaties, and a profound societal shift in how we think about intelligence and control. It requires us to look beyond short-term gains and national interests and to think on a civilizational scale. The decisions we make today, the ethical frameworks we build right now, will echo for centuries. This isn't a problem for future generations to solve, it's ours. The development of superintelligence is happening on our watch. We have a responsibility to steer this incredible technology toward a future that is safe, prosperous, and equitable for everyone. It's a monumental task, perhaps the greatest challenge humanity has ever faced. But if we can come together, with foresight and wisdom, we can guide this new form of intelligence to become our greatest ally, not our final invention. What are your thoughts on how we should govern superintelligence? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this exploration thought-provoking, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and humanity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.